Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money into crypto.com. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open crypto.com app and go to the main dashboard. From there, you gotta tap on deposit. Next, you gotta select crypto as the deposit type and you'll then see a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Use the search bar to find your currency that you want, such as USDT. And then after that, you gotta choose the blockchain network you want to use for the deposit. Select the network that matches the one you're sending from. Once you have chosen a network, crypto.com will display your deposit address. Copy this wallet address carefully. Now switch to the wallet or exchange you're sending to the USDT form. The steps of sending funds from any wallet are similar on all of the platforms. So open your wallet, select send, choose USDT and paste the deposit address you copied from crypto.com. After entering the address, proceed to the next step. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Once the transfer is submitted, wait for the network to process it. After the transaction receives the required confirmations, the USDT will appear in your crypto.com account balance.